to Rain, I think it would always be when because I'm the ate kasi, so I'm sanay na I do things for the bunsos or I do things for people. She's like, Ate Jazz, I'll drive you home. I'll stay with you. Para like may kasama ka lang pa uwi. It's okay. So that's something that's very sweet.
Super nag-break to nung kahapon. Nung sumabay ako kay Ate Jazz, kay Rain, sinabi ko talaga sa kanila na, I feel ugly. Actually, mo ko ganina unta sa Midchakon o kay Jaren. Pero kabalo sa Ate Jazz sa reason. Nagstoryahan naman ni Rain ganina. Ito nag-chat ko sa iMessage. Mo to gitawagan din ko niya. Tapos bugay ko nagawa diri sa balay. You fall down, I'll pick you up. I will be